I'm Maria from Mary's World, and today I'm going to teach you how to put all the pieces together. I already teach you how to put the belly and the top part of the whale together, and now I will teach you how to fix the fins and the tail and the top fin, whatever you want to add to your whale. And I will teach you more about it in my pattern that you can find on the description in the link below. But let's begin! So if you like this tutorial, if it helped you somehow, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you need any help at all, if you have some ideas for new tutorials, I will try to do my best to help you. So write in the comment section and I will promise to get back to you as soon as possible. So bye!